In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own YouTube channel art. So this is the website to go to. It's called canva.com, and you can choose the type of design needed. So for today's tutorial, we're going to teach you how to make a YouTube channel art. So there are lots of templates that you can choose from. So for today, I'm going to choose a background to work on. Okay, so this is the background. In order for your channel art to fit perfectly, you need to have a template. In the description box below, I will include the link for you. So this is the template. Go to elements and go to the shapes. You need to choose a square shape and you color this, change this color to perhaps blue so that we can see. This is to replace the template. This will act as a guide for you to put your text. Okay, after you have this guide here, you can delete the template. So all your channel name and your slogan will be included in here. So be adding a heading. Now we have done all the text, we can delete the guide. So this is it. Add some design to your art. Okay, so this is done. You can download this for free. So there you have it, a perfectly fitted channel art across all the devices. So this is for the desktop, for the TV, and for the mobile. Do not need to crop anything. It's fitted nicely here. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you have learned something valuable. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you. See you on my next one.